What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shoreline Road Fighter channel here on the Heart Rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. No, it's not. We're here with another amazing production here on the Kiamichi Railroad, and they're coming down the line. It is 10:16. Here they come. I invited my buddy Marshall up here, but you know, he was up here last night, so I don't know if he'll come up here or not, since he was already up here once. It is 10:16, and I got it snapped. It's only my other friend, it ain't him. That's how it is all the time. Why can't this never be him? Anyways, here they come. Alright. I was just over there, just sitting in my truck, just playing on my phone. I knew I heard humming. I got out, and they were like right there. I'm like, hurry! Let's go, Mom. Oh, yeah, we're here with my mom. So, here they come. It sounds like 3379 or something. I don't know. Of course, that's him. Of course. Cannot be Bubba. No. Don't do that. Don't laugh it. Anyways. Gotta do my little signal, let them know I'm here. And I'm actually gonna take this off. And I'm gonna wave at them tonight with my hat, because I didn't do it last night. Because I had that light on my hat. Yep, this is my new setup with that light, LED light that my mom has, or that I was flashing, to let them know I'm here. Calls me and texts me, y'all, as soon as they're right here. The engine. Ding, 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 ding. Kiamichi Freddy. Apparently that's all they got back. Well, alright. There they go. They're off. I think those calls mean ding, 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 ding. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I may try to catch a weekend video while I'm at it. See you later.